Everybody, welcome back to another video today, guys. So I just finished hunting, and look what I got. A turkey.
Nice long beard.
Yeah. Little spurs.
Still breathing.
Oh, it just moved. You got the other spur.
His father has to tag it.
Some feathers. It's a big feather. Oh yeah, this is Jay Freed's new merch.
It's not new.
Well, I haven't seen it yet, so I'm gonna call it new.
Yeah, you have.
That? I haven't seen it.
It's when I go to my birthday.
I'm gonna show you where I shot it. Okay, so I shot it
A bee hit it in the leg too.
right there. Went right through its head.
A bee shot it in the leg. Look at it.
Yeah, right
Gosh.
there.
Wait, put up these
See,
feathers.
it's like bright red.
Oh yeah, there's a bullet in there. There's a bullet in there. There's like 4. How'd you even hit it in the leg though?
I don't know.
Out of all shots, you hit it in the leg, but you killed it.
Well,
Oh, look at this is where it is.
It has like a
Look at-
pattern. It has a pattern. Yes, right there. Here, let's see. Right there. Right there. Right there. I also hit it somewhere in the body, but I forget where that was.
Oh, it's on the other side. So.
Right here.
Are you gonna tag it?
Somewhere in there. So yeah, we're just gonna probably do some stuff for the rest of the vlog. But yeah, pretty successful
Oh, you hit
hunt.
it on the bottom.
Oh, there. Right there. I hit it there. Cause all the feathers, it was like.
But how did you even?
The bird was like all over the place.
That's what mine did.
Right over there.
I had to shoot my bird again because it wouldn't die.
Right there. That's where it was going. And we had to grab it by
But
its legs.
I shot the
so it
turkey
didn't fly
completely
away.
in the head, but it didn't die. Shot it again.
Yeah, he missed his turkey. But he got one at his paps.
I'm shaking myself. There we go.
I didn't shake shooting it.
I shake when I missed the JP.
It's picture time. How heavy is it, Johnny? Figure out.
The picture of the turkey that I'm gonna take is gonna be on the
20 pounder?
screen
Yeah, it's a 20
now.
pounder.
Yeah, pretty cool picture, right? It's also the thumbnail, so. I'm just walking around now. See what? Dang it. It's wet. So yeah, so the turkey, we were in our trailer, and the turkey was walking across there, and then he went up there and around. And he went like up there, and then and then in the tent we were in, and right there, that's where he was. Like I said, that's where he was. All over the place. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do some rock parkour. I only have one hand, so I have to be careful. Ooh, let's go. Ooey. That was fast. These flowers, wildflowers. So yeah, I wasn't gonna make this a long vlog, but yeah. So this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later. I probably will be doing one vlog next week, and 1 gaming video. Not sure, maybe 2 vlogs, maybe 2 gaming videos. You know, if we hit 3 likes on this video, I will do 2 vlogs. If we hit 2 likes, I'll do 2 gaming videos. And if we hit 1 like, go into the comments and say, actually no, if we get 4 likes, go in the comments and you can customize what I'm going to do for next week. And goodbye.